Hey, babe, you up?
Always for you.
I was just thinking about you.
Oh yeah? What about me?
How you always make me laugh, even when I'm super stressed.
You know I'll always be your stress relief.
I know, but it's crazy how you just get me.
It's 'cause I'm your soulmate, duh.
Lol, facts, no arguments there.
Remember that time we got lost on that road trip?
Oh my, yes. And we ended up at that random diner with the best pancakes.
Best detour ever.
We should do that again. Just drive with no destination.
Say less this weekend?
Yes, pack snacks in your playlist, though.
Deal, but you're in charge of the snacks.
Bet. I'll get all your faves.
You're the best, you know that?
Only 'cause I have the best inspiration.
Stop it, you're gonna make me cry.
Good, that means I'm doing my job right.
You're ridiculous, but I love you for it.
Love you more. Now go to sleep. We've got a weekend adventure to plan.
Fine, but don't be surprised if I dream about you.
Sweet dreams, babe.
You too.